Alright, very welcome guys. Today I'm gonna make cream chicken masala. Alright, with pasta. Alright, and garlic bread. Alright guys. Alright, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid guys. Alright, let's go. That looks good here. Alright, so I have here 8 chicken cutlets. Alright, this dish is for 6 or 8 people. Alright, so I have here 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I have 2 teaspoons of salt. Alright, and I have half stick of butter. I have here half cup of olive oil. Alright, to give that good flavor. Alright, so I have here 1 cup of chicken broth. Alright, chicken broth. And I have here 1 cup and a half of heavy cream. I have here 1 onion. Alright, doesn't have to be big. Between. Alright. And I have here 6 cloves of garlic to give that good flavor. Alright. So I have here 1 teaspoon of thyme. Also I have here 2.5 tablespoons of parsley, and I have 1 teaspoon of red pepper. Alright guys, red pepper. But you guys doesn't like red pepper or black pepper, you guys doesn't have to use. Alright. So I have here 1 cup of flour. I have here 1 teaspoon of oregano. Alright, it's a lot of stuff here, right? So I have here 1 cup and a half of Marsala. Alright, to give that good flavor guys. And I have here the mushroom. I have 1 pound of mushrooms. Alright, and what else I have here? This is for the bread that I go with you guys later. Okay, but I can tell you guys I have here for the garlic bread. I have here 1 teaspoon of Italian season. I have 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and I have here Parmesan cheese. I have 2 tablespoons also. Alright, and this is Italian bread. Alright, let's start. Alright guys, let's start. I'm gonna start with the salt. Okay, salt I go over here just a little bit here, there. Alright, with the chicken cutlets. Alright, that's my chicken cutlets. The salt here, there. Okay guys, just plenty salt. They have to flip the other side. Alright, flip the other side. Very good. Alright, so now my next step is gonna be my pepper. Alright, guys, that's the pepper. I just sprinkle everywhere to give that good flavor. Alright, but if you guys doesn't like the black pepper, you guys just don't use. Okay, so just go to the other side. Alright guys, my next step is my flour. Alright, so it's done back and forth. Okay, chicken looks good. Looking good guys. Alright. See it? Okay. Okay, I always like to put extra flour so that penetrate better. Right? So, but if you guys doesn't want to use the full cup, you guys can do just like a half cup. Okay guys, my next step now is gonna be my oil and my butter. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Very good. Let's melt this butter. Okay guys, now my oil is ready. All right, let's go. Now, let's get these babies. All right, it's looking good. Okay guys, it's getting ready here. You guys can see the brown colors coming together. Alright, and the flavor. Alright, very good. My chicken is ready. Alright, very good. My chicken is ready. Very good. Alright. So now, I'm going to take the leftover. Alright. And dump here because you don't want too much oil, right? But I like to cook the chicken with a lot of oil. Okay, just leave just a little bit. All right, a little bit. Maybe we'll just add it a little bit more. You have just enough to cook the mushrooms. All right, guys. So now what I'm gonna do is next step. All right, my mushrooms. All right. Very good. Right? Looking good. Very good, guys. See that? It's cooking. Put a little bit more oil. Alright? A little bit. Left over. Just to. Very good. That's enough. Alright, very good. So now, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna edit my garlic. Alright, guys. Garlic. Alright. That's good. Now it's ready. I'm ready for my onions. Alright, very good. My onions. Looking good. My onions. Looking good, guys. The color and the flavor is come together. Alright. Now it's time for my peppers. Alright, my two peppers. Black pepper and red pepper. Alright, very good. After that, I'm gonna use my oregano. Looking good, guys. Alright, now let's cook these mushrooms. Looking good. The flavor, the smell, everything's coming together. Alright, guys. Okay, guys, my mushrooms is ready. Alright, look at that. It's beautiful. Alright, I'm hungry. I am hungry. Alright, very good. So guys, my next step is gonna be the Marsala. Alright? My Marsala. So, let's do it. That's it. Alright, very good. It's looking good, guys. Mushrooms is ready. Alright, my next step now is gonna be bingo. Alright, my chicken bird. Alright. Chicken bird. Very good. Looking good. Okay guys, my next step is gonna be my hair cream. Right? Very good. Alright. Very good, guys. Now I'm gonna let this cook until you get gloss, right? That gloss, and it'll be ready. Alright? See you guys later. Okay, guys. Alright? So my mushrooms is cooking. Alright. And now I'm gonna start now with my pasta. Alright, my water is boiling already. You guys can see that. Alright, very good. Sounds good. Alright, let's stir a little bit. Alright. And let it cook. Alright guys, Alright, now it's time to do the bread. Alright, the garlic bread, guys, is delicious. Alright, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. Alright, let's go. This is my butter. Alright, just place the butter all over. All over. Don't be afraid to add it much you can. Water, alright, to give that good flavor, guys. It's almost done here. Right, my garlic bread. Very good. Alright. It's looking good. Alright. Very good. Alright. I'm gonna start now with my garlic powder. Alright, guys. Alright, just sprinkle it everywhere. Alright, so the flavor and the color comes together. Alright? Flavor and the color. Okay, guys, my next step is gonna go with the cheese. Alright? Alright, very good. Good. Alright, very good. It's good. Alright, guys, my final. It's Italian season. Just sprinkle everywhere so the color comes together nice. Alright, guys. Very good. Alright. Some more here. That's it. Alright. Very good. Alright, guys. Looking good. Looking good, guys. Alright, so now I'm gonna go my stove is preheated already 350. Alright, guys, you guys have to pay attention, okay? Pay attention very well because this cooks very fast. Right? See you very shortly. Okay, guys, my pasta is ready. Alright, my pasta is ready. Whoa, yes, that's right. My pasta is ready. And my Marsala is ready. Alright, look, guys, gloss. Very gloss, looking good. All right, so I'm gonna leave here for 5 more minutes. All right, and then see you in a little bit. All right. Okay, guys, finished product. All right. Salad, chicken, right? And the both are pasta and like garlic bread. Alright, looks good, guys. Alright, so let's try. I'll let you know. Alright? Everything smells good here. And I'm hungry. Alright, guys. The salad looks good. Looking good. Right? Here. Right, guys, let you know. Guys, this is the best. Right? That's what I call Marsala. Right? Cream. Alright? This is delicious. Alright, guys, another try. My chicken. Alright. Delicious. Now my bread, guys. Nice and crunch. Hey guys, you guys have a good weekend, right? Love you all.